Hey guys, it's Hannah from Black Bull Markets here to talk to you about candlesticks and how they represent the market. Before we start on MT4, I would like to go over the anatomy of the candlestick so that you can confidently determine historical price fluctuation, current price levels, and look at how these can help you anticipate future market conditions. Alright, so here we have the two base candlesticks, the bear and the bull. Both candlesticks are there to indicate the price fluctuation of a currency pair within a given time frame. So on MT4 this can be anywhere from 1 minute to 1 month. For the sake of this video, let's use the 4-hour candle. Alright, so this part here is called the upper shadow, which signifies the 4-hour session high. Conversely, this is the lower shadow, and it signifies the session low. So this is the highest price that the pair went within the 4 hours, and this is the lowest price. The box in the middle is called the body, which represents the difference in opening and closing during that time frame. So you'll see the opening price and closing price are swapped around between those two candles, and I'll explain why. The most integral part for analysis is actually looking at the differences between the opening and the close. The bear candle opens higher than the close, indicating in the last 4 hours there was more selling than buying, and the lead currency has depreciated against the other during that time. The bull candle closes higher than the open, indicating in the last 4 hours there was more buying than selling, and the lead currency has appreciated against the other during that time. Now you know this, let's head over to MT4. So here is the Black Bull Markets MT4 platform. You'll see here that we have the Euro USD currency pairing, where our bear candles are red and our bull candles are green. Red indicating that price is decreasing and green indicating that price is increasing. If you wanted to change these colors like we showed in last videos, I'll just go over it again quickly. Right click on the screen, head down to properties, and you'll see that you can change them here. Alright. Also, if you wanted to view a different currency pairing, just head over to the list, right click the currency pairing that you'd like, and hit chart window. If you wanted to see both of them that are open, head up here and click this little divider, and it'll show you both on the same screen. But for now, we just want to look at the Euro USD chart, so let's close this, head back to the divider to make the chart full screen. Let's now transfer our knowledge of the Candlestick Anatomy onto MT4. So we know that each candlestick is representative of price fluctuation within a given time. These times are demonstrated up on the dash above from 1 minute to 1 month. Let's look at the 1 minute. So, in this chart, there's one candlestick generated every minute. For example, within 1 minute at 4:48, the trade opened at 1.199, went as high as 1.1992, and closed at 1.19917. Funny, right? But these small differences in price are due to the small time frame. However, if we head to 1 month, you see that the prices fluctuate more. This is because the currency has a longer time period to fluctuate and react to market drivers like economic and geopolitical events. Overall, the advantage of the candlestick is that they are visually immediate and are useful at identifying market turning points. Next time we will cover candlestick trends that you can look for on MT4. Safe trading, everyone!